Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add digital signature in Google Sheets mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I open my Google Sheet application on my mobile phone, I'm going to create my digital signature. To create digital signature, we can use applications such as InShot or Canva or CapCut, and you can choose the application that you have on your mobile phone. And here I have InShot, so I'm going to use InShot to create digital signature. I'm going to go to the photo section, and then I'm going to select a blank background, and then I'm going to choose doodle. Then I'm gonna select black color, and I'm going to create my digital signature like this, and then I'm going to export this image. Okay, and then I'm going to open up my Google Sheets, and I'm going to create new document. Wait, I'm going to view it in light theme. Okay, and I'm going to add my digital signature here in this A1 cell. Wait, I'm going to make it bigger. Right, guys. Okay, and I'm going to add my digital signature here. So I'm gonna click on this cell, and then we can click on this plus icon to insert an image. We can select image, and I'm going to choose image in cell. Okay, then here we'll have two options from photos or from camera, and I'm going to choose from photos. Okay, and this is the digital signature I have created with the InShot app. All right, and now as you can see guys that my digital signature has been added to the A1 cell. Okay, and now it's done. And actually you can create your digital signature with other application. If you have Canva, you can create your digital signature with Canva, or if you have CapCut, you can create it with CapCut. Okay, that's easy, right? And then I'm just going to rename my seat. Oops. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a digital signature in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!